In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever found yourself struggling to make text stand out in a PDF, let me guide you through this seamless process. It's quick and simple. First, you'll want to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you're not familiar, Adobe Acrobat is a powerful tool used to view, create, manipulate, print, and manage files in portable document format. Once you have your PDF open, you're ready to begin editing. This first step is crucial because it allows us to utilize the full suite of Acrobat's editing tools. Now you'll want to locate the edit button on the global bar at the top of the screen. This bar is packed with all the functionalities you'll need for editing, so selecting edit will activate the tools necessary for the task. Once in edit mode, your document will be fully editable, allowing you to make the changes you desire. Next, go ahead and highlight the text you want to change. This is as simple as clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired text, just like you would in any word processor. Highlighting effectively tells Acrobat this is the section I'm working on, and prepares it for transformation. Once your text is highlighted, it's time to focus on the context menu that appears nearby. Look for a bold icon. This icon usually looks like a capital B, and it's the key to making your text stand out. Click this icon, and your selected text will immediately appear bolder, emphasizing the importance or drawing attention as needed. If for some reason the context menu or bold icon isn't working for you, not to worry. There's another method to achieve this. Let's head over to the left side of your screen where you'll find an edit panel. This panel offers an array of text formatting options. Within this edit panel, locate the section titled Format Text. Under this section, you'll find another bold icon. As you did before, you'll want to select this icon to apply the bold formatting to your highlighted text. Sometimes navigating through the edit panel can give you more precision and control, especially if you're handling multiple text edits within your document. And there you have it, several straightforward steps to bold text in Adobe Acrobat. With these tools at your disposal, enhancing your PDF with bold text should now be a breeze. Keep practicing with different documents to become even more efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.